at the Fort Tilden in Queens, New York. It's clear sunny day. It's perfect weather for exploring. Today I'm gonna be exploring this whole Fort Tilden historical district and you're coming with me. But before we get to the exploring, let's review the history of this place. So basically this place was used during World War I, World War II, and Cold War. This is a former US Army installation built in 1917, became operational in 1924, and used until 1995 as a Nike Hercules and Nike Ajax missile site. The name Fort Tilden was named after Samuel J. Tilden, who was one-term governor of New York State and Democratic President for Canada years later. Several temporary military installation was built at and near this site since the War of 1812 against the British. This place remained as an army installation until late 1970s, and after that it was turned over to the National Park Service and made a part of the Gateway National Recreation Area. Here, this place I'm standing on is called Battery Harris. There are two forts. One of them is called Battery Harris East, and that is here, and one another is called Battery Harris West. That is located over there, located in the west side. I cannot see from here, but there is. Was built during World War II to provide protection against attack. Right here, right beneath my feet, there was a 16-feet gun, and it sounds really scary. But gladly, there is no more guns here, obviously. Now this is the place to look over the whole beautiful nature view in 360. You can look over the Atlantic Ocean. You can see bridge over there, and that's so amazing. You will love it. I love it. I come here a lot when I feel stressed out, when I want to cry, when I'm so sad that I want to release all the negativities. Like I said, the National Park Service is taking over this place, and they're working on protecting the birds, piping plovers, common tern, and list tern. That's the three kinds of birds they are protecting. So if you plan to come here, please don't feed them. Don't get close within like 15 feet. Don't disturb them, and don't harass them. Okay? Let's continue. I got an idea. Since my channel is really small, I'm gonna make it grow. Yes, bitch. Whatever, that's my name. If you find this, take picture and share on the Instagram, okay? Many people might call it dirty, but for me, it's art. I think it's beautiful. It's beautiful that nature take over the building. So that's amazing. I think this is the best part of this building. I like this a lot. Look at this. I'm gonna take a picture of this from, I don't know, maybe this angle would be nice. Oh, horse. A horse. I'm gonna get close to that. Oh my god, it's horse. There are more over there. It's real horses.
Hey, what's up? Hey, I'm talking to you.
still nothing.
What is going on? Why are you doing that?
Why are they doing that? Am I gonna get killed? I think this is the only restroom here. Somebody added the face and hair.
Hello.
It's echoing.
Ew. What dirty mirrors. Oh my gosh. So dirty. I don't look pretty.
There's a cool guy over there. Very stylish. Oh, I didn't realize that was a dolphin. It looked really scary. Whatever. Once I tried to get into the building, but I couldn't because there were people inside partying. I don't know. Can I? I think there are always people in there. Are they owner of the building or what? Yeah, you can see. There's a car. Right there. Here. There's a car there. People watching me. This is the reason I cannot get in there. I really want to, but it's protected. I cannot go inside. Maybe in the future. You know what? I'm confusing. Many people go through this way. Many people enter this way. And it says no trespassing. Warning, authorized personnel only. Who is the authorized personnel? I think it's me. Because I do this. This is my life. I don't know who this is talking to. Who cannot enter because literally everybody come here. It's so confusing. You know what? I'm gonna tell you. You can enter. Okay? It might say no trespassing. All this stuff. You can go through this way. Okay, you can. Yeah, you can. You see, yeah, you can. So come with me. Join my journey. Let's go. Это нехорошо. Это не очень хорошо. I'm sorry, I speak Russian just a little bit. And I'm so sorry if it was too much, but I just cut my finger. I'm a little bleeding. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see it, but oh Jesus! I was trying to take pictures. I got a little cut in my finger by a what do you say? That. Nothing. And you know. Oh, wood. That was the word I was looking for. I got a little cut by tile of wood. Piles of wood. I gotta study English a little bit more, I guess. Sorry, English is not my first language. My first language is Japanese. Second, English. And third, Russian. For your information, this is one of my favorite hiking trail because there are no people and it's all surrounded by nature, like real nature, wild nature. And you can see butterflies, birds walking under the sun, feel the wind. It's just beautiful, right? Oh, I always come here, but I actually never get into the building, so I wanna go there. Let's just take a little look because, you know, for my record, I've never been there. I have to go there. Okay, let's go. Come with me. Join the party. Like
Oh my gosh. I love it. What was it? Oh my gosh. Okay, whatever. Be careful. Oh no. What? Why isn't this focusing? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Let's get into it. Wow. Just wow. I want to live here. This is my house. I'm so glad that there are no homeless people here. Oh, yes. This is perfect. Beautiful. Yes, beautiful. And you can see the roof really close up here. Okay, I'm taking picture here, but constantly the roof is keep dropping off. This might be dangerous. Yeah, right now. Yeah. It keeps tearing apart. So if you're planning to come here, I have to tell you, be careful. And I'm so glad that I'm still alive. That's I was talking about. Oh my god. Other drops. Yes, that there, yeah, there. The roof is keep tearing apart, and it's so dangerous. It might hit you. It might hit me. Oh my gosh. And I'm here because I'm so stupid. I mean, look at this. This little tiny part of still remains supports the roof. It might falling off right now, just right now. It is so dangerous. So be careful. If you're young, don't come here. It might kill you. I'm just telling you, okay? I have to tell you. I come up here. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Did you see it? Did I catch on camera? That was so huge. That was like a 30-centimeter blocks. I think I took enough before I leave. I wanna try not to fall. Oh! Me, it's been always locked. See, I'm speechless. I can't get in. Oh, homeless person in it. Oh my god, I got so scared. They live in